Hello, in today's video we're going to be cooking a chicken shawarma wrap. To start, we're going to cook our pita bread. We're going to add a teaspoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of yeast, to 4 cups of flour, then add 3 spoons of sugar. Then we're going to mix in 2 cups of water. So right now we're going to add some flour because the dough is too wet. And once the dough looks like this, we're going to put it in the fridge for a few hours to rest. Once the dough has expanded, we're gonna flatten out a piece of the dough and then we're gonna cook that. Once the pita bread looks like this, it's ready. We'll add a teaspoon of dried onions and some paprika powder. Then we'll add a teaspoon of cumin and a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then we're gonna peel 6 cardamom pods. You can use some cardamom powder if you want. We're gonna add some chilies and a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of dried garlic powder. Then we'll add a teaspoon of crushed coriander and we're gonna blend all of that up. We will also add some fenugreek seeds. Then we're gonna add 3 spoons of yogurt. We're gonna start to cut some chicken breast into small little pieces. Then we're going to cut 3 garlic cloves into small pieces and add that to the yogurt. So after that, we're going to add a lot of lime juice, and now we're going to mix the chicken, yogurt, and our seasonings that we made. After mixing, we got to let the chicken rest for at least 2 hours. And once the chicken is done resting, we're going to start grilling it. Once the chicken looks like this, it's ready. And we're gonna save it on a plate for later. To make the sauce, you're gonna need 13 garlic cloves, some more lime juice, and we're using 3 teaspoons of oil. We will also add a teaspoon of salt. We're gonna blend all this to make a garlic sauce now. This is our pita bread that we're gonna lay down, and we're gonna use a green tomato. Well, first we're gonna lay out our garlic sauce. After that, we're gonna add our chicken, and meanwhile I'm laying out my chicken, my dad's gonna cut the green tomatoes. And we're also gonna add some chopped up pickles, some arugula, and yeah, we're just gonna wrap this up, and that's how we make chicken shawarma. So yeah, thanks for watching the video.